Welcome to another driveway. Today we got a little something that I found on Amazon that I just couldn't pass up for the price. So we'll see how it actually works for something like the Crossfire. Alright, so what we have here is a rear mirror recording dash cam thing. I was looking for something like this for the Crossfire since it's got those really wide pillars in the back. Makes it kind of hard to see around the back side of it when you're trying to back out of a parking spot or something. So now that I'm going to be tearing this thing apart and that type of stuff, there's not that huge of a need to get one right now, but it came on sale for 10 bucks off, so can't really pass that up. So essentially, it comes with the rear view mirror piece. It's got the video eye right there, which we can take that off and looking good there. And it comes with the cigarette lighter piece and piece for the backup camera. It's like this whole setup allows it so you have the standard dash cam like every other vehicle, so you can get the crash evidence and that type of stuff, and hopefully I can use it for recording simple little like track days or something weird like that. And so on your backup camera you have this red wire that will go to your backup lights. So that way when the backup lights turn on, it'll automatically switch over to the rear view. It's got a pretty lengthy wire here. Not too sure how long it is. It's probably about 20 feet. So that's pretty nice. It's got like a small capacitor style battery in the mirror, so it can capture when you smash into something, or if you left it parked in a parking lot, there's enough that it'll be able to record. Alright, let's just throw this in the car and play around with it a little bit. Alright, so it comes with these little rubber pieces. There's some slightly longer ones if you have a really thick mirror. And it's just pretty much slapping it on. It'll take a little bit of fine tuning, but that's up there now. And we'll just throw the power in. Alright, that's in there. Backup camera, I should have plugged that in before putting it back on again. That goes right up in the top. So then, when you just Basically, once the car is on, it immediately starts recording. And we can just play around with things, stop the recording. There you see the backup camera. So, right now I got the propane tank back there. It's not a horrible little video. Probably need to flip the camera up, right side up. But, then we can record back there. Get a couple minutes of that. Stop that. Camera back front. Record some more. Let's go flip the camera right side up on that thing. Alright, there we go, full right side up. See the propane tank back there? Something you actually can't see, just barely looking out. Basically trying to get around these big pillars, so. Especially when we put the big wing on there, it'll make backing up quite a bit easier. So, not too bad of a little item. Got sound and everything. Flip the camera right side up on that thing. Go home. So yeah, that's not too bad. Let's go back over here. Go full screen. Hit the record button. Alright, now that all works. Just turn it off and it goes to sleep. So, not too bad. Alright, that's going to be the quick video today. Got a lot of stuff I need to get done with the house. Need some mudding the drywall and a bunch of other weird little things. Got a couple of events coming up that I got to prepare for, so won't have a lot of time in the garage, but next time we'll actually start tearing into the crossfire, kind of probably gutting out a lot of the interior stuff to see what we have to work with, and go from there. So, we got the new mirror thing, so we should be set there. Keep it safer. Make sure that if there's any jackasses on the road, we can see what's going down. But thanks for stopping by, and I guess we'll catch you guys later.